Hello and welcome to Smaulgld's American Gold Eagle Sales Update for the month of May 2017. Dismal American Gold Eagle sales in May. American Gold Eagle May sales fall to 14-year lows. U.S. Mint sold just 10,000 1-ounce American Gold Eagles in May, up from another dismal amount of 3,500 sold in April. May 2017 sales were the lowest May total since May 2003, when no 1-ounce American Gold Eagles were sold. Total number of American Gold Eagles sold in May, including the 1/10, 1/4, 1/2, and 1-ounce coins, was just 44,000. Total ounces of gold attributable to all those American Gold Eagle coins of all sizes was just 14,500 ounces. The silver to gold sales ratio in May was 245 to 1, meaning that the U.S. Mint sold 245 times more 1-ounce American Silver Eagles than it did 1-ounce American Gold Eagles. Premiums on American Gold Eagles were steady. Just a reminder, the 2017 Smaulgld Silver Supply and Demand Report and Video Companion Series is now available. It's a complete review of the year 2016 in the silver market. Video number 1 has already been released and distributed to purchasers of the report, and that one highlights the bull and bear argument. Bears like to say that silver is primarily an industrial metal. Well, that is not true, as we show in the report and in the video series. And also the bulls like to say that silver has so many uses, is in such great demand. Well, that myth is also destroyed in the video series. So please, if you're interested in learning a lot more about silver, getting the facts and not just the hype from the commentators, you can purchase the over 33-page silver report from Smaulgld. If you're a Smaulgld patron, you only pay $15. If you are an early bird and you buy one of the first 50 copies, you pay just $20, and after that it's $20. Now let's get back to the May sales of American Gold Eagles. Excuse me, as we noted, just 10,000 1-ounce American Gold Eagles were sold in May. That was down 84.4% from May 2016 sales of 64,500. As we mentioned, just 44,000 American Gold Eagle coins of all sizes were sold for about 14,500 ounces in total. That was down from 141,500 American Gold Eagle coins sold last May, which totaled 76,500 ounces. Here is your May chart from 1987 to 2017. There's that 10,000 number. That is lower than any time since 2003, when none were sold, and then in 2002 just 2,000 were sold. Highest May total ever, 190,000 way back in 2011. Now, surges in alternative investments like Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, ETFs, mining shares, and silver seem to have an impact on gold bullion. We'll see what happens going forward, but the last few months have been atrocious at the U.S. Mint, lowest since this time period here, the early 2000s. There's your pitch for a donation to Smaulgld. Small or large donations, either in Bitcoin or in PayPal. You can donate below or directly on the website. Also, there's your pitch to purchase your gold through Smaulgld or your silver through Smaulgld. Smaulgld gets a small commission, and you pay no more, no less than if you visited those sites directly. So please check them out. BGASC, Golden Eagle Coins, SD Bullion, Money Metals Exchange, not investment advice. But if you are going to buy gold or silver, you can get a good deal at one of these bullion dealers, and you pay no more, no less than if you visited them directly. So please consider purchasing your metals through Smaulgld. Now here's the story so far in American Gold Eagle sales this year in 2017 compared to last year. Not a month was it higher than last year. We're close in January, but ever since then you can see the red boxes, the red bars here, 21,000 in February, 16,000 in March, 3,500 in April, it's 10,000 in May. That compares to 67,000 in February, 29,000 in March, 93,500 in April, 64,500 in May. So clearly sales are on the decline for gold at the U.S. Mint. There's your 1986 all the way through to 2017. So far this year, 137,000 American Gold Eagles on the 1-ounce size have been sold. 89,000 of those, the bulk of them, were sold in January. You could see the peaks and troughs here. You can take a look at that chart. You can see it better at the Smaulgld site. By the way, I've heard people getting tossed off of Twitter for basically no reason. YouTube channels getting shut down. You never know what might happen. Best thing to do, even more than donating to Smaulgld, is to subscribe to Smaulgld. It's free. You fill in your email address. At least you know that you'll continue to get the updates, even if the channel is shut down or tossed off or Twitter or Facebook or whatever it may be. So fill in your email address there. It's all you have to do, and then you're ensured, it's free, that you're going to get your updates. Okay, so that's American Gold Eagle premiums. They don't change that much, but they're pretty much in the normal range where they are. So if you're buying American Gold Eagles, the only thing I mention is towards the end of the year when they sell out, or maybe they won't this year, but generally when they start to sell out of the current year coin, premiums rise and then they fall back down again in January and February. And here's your silver to gold sales ratio. You can see silver is now being sold in bigger quantities, especially the last 2 months in comparison to gold. The last 2 months, the silver to gold sales ratio was 239 to 1 in April and 245 to 1 in May. And your gold silver ratio still hovering above 70 to 1 through the end of May. Thank you very much for listening, and we will have some more reports on American Gold Buffaloes, Perthman Silver, Perthman Gold, and a bunch of other very interesting gold and silver videos coming up for you. Thank you very much.